This is really a good product. First of all, the key thing is about installation. Look, I have put the sensor right here in my wheel. First I had put it at a little bit down, so it was not working. Then I had installed the sensor upper side. Okay, this is the sensor, this is the magnet. I had installed upper side and keep a bit play, so that in turning we would not be able to broke our wire. Okay, now let's check well it's working or not. See, the speedometer is quite well working. Okay, so now I'm traveling 12 kilometer, 13 kilometer, okay, 14, 15, and it's working good. Okay, when I decrease the speed will decrease automatically. Look, so it's now decreased to, okay, 0 kilometer. Okay guys, so the key thing is you have to install it perfectly. There are many videos available on YouTube. Check it out and install it perfectly.